Your phone screen glows with a promise to drop 20% of your body weight just by clicking a few buttons. It sounds like the ultimate shortcut. You see these sleek websites with modern branding and professional photos everywhere lately. The Good Girl platform is one of the newest names popping up in this crowded space. They position themselves as a high-end wellness service. They focus on those popular weight loss injections that everyone is talking about right now. On the surface, the site looks perfectly legitimate. It has that clean, medical aesthetic that builds instant trust. They talk about licensed providers. They mention tailored treatment plans. They promise a transformation that feels within reach. But we have to look past the pretty fonts. We have to look past the marketing slogans. The biggest question is whether this is a revolutionary medical service or just another slick funnel designed to take your money. Legitimate telehealth is a real thing. It changed how we access care. However, it also opened the door for some questionable players. You need to know exactly who is on the other side of that digital screen. Is it a real doctor? Are they actually reviewing your medical history? A simple questionnaire is not enough for powerful medications. These drugs change your body chemistry. They require real oversight. You also have to ask about the drugs themselves. Are you getting the brand name versions? Are they compounded alternatives made in a lab? Transparency is the only thing that matters here. If a company hides their pricing, that is a red flag. If they are vague about where the medicine comes from, that is a red flag. You are putting these substances into your body. You deserve to know the source. I spent some time digging into how these platforms operate. Many of them use a subscription model. You pay a monthly fee. That fee covers the consultation and the medication. It sounds convenient. For many people, it is convenient. But you have to be your own advocate. Check for independent reviews. Look for people who have actually used the service for more than a month. Do not just trust the testimonials on their own website. Those are curated. They are meant to sell you a dream. Real life is messier. Real weight loss is a long process. There is no such thing as a total miracle in a bottle. You need to verify if the company is registered. You need to check if they follow healthcare regulations. Your health is not something to gamble with. Your bank account is not something to throw away on a whim. Weight loss medications can be life-changing for the right person. They can help with chronic conditions. They can jumpstart a healthier lifestyle, but they must be used under professional supervision. If a site makes it too easy, be skeptical. If they skip the hard questions, walk away. This platform seems to follow the basic rules of telehealth. It does not scream scam right away, but that does not mean you should skip the research. You need to see a clear path from the initial click to the final delivery. You need to know you can reach a human if things go wrong. Do not get blinded by the promise of a new body. Focus on the reality of the medical process. Stay curious. Stay cautious. Make sure you are choosing a partner in your health journey, not just a checkout cart. You deserve to know what you are buying before you hit that subscribe button. Your body is the only one you have. Do not hand over the keys to a stranger just because they have a nice website. Take the time to verify every single claim. Only then should you decide if this path is right for you. Your health is worth the extra 10 minutes of investigation. Stay safe out there.